Hi, I'm Dan from Livernois Motorsports. Today we got a 2022 Bronco. This is a 2-liter in this truck. So you're watching this video, this basically is going to be relevant from 21 all the way to 2024. These are great trucks. This is a proven 2-liter. We've actually had this done for some time. This calibration was done sometime in 2022. Updated a little bit over the years, but this for the most part is the same calibration we've had in these things since 2022. Very similar to a Maverick calibration too. Same engine, very similar drivetrain and everything in this truck. So you just seen me made a dyno on this truck right now. These things baseline, this one was 197. With our tune in this thing, 243. Pretty impressive. That's 46 horsepower gain, right? There's some spots in this graph where it's 50 horsepower. That's almost insane for these things. Not something we don't see with the EcoBoost. We stepped on this thing a little hard. This is 93 octane. It is at one of our more aggressive tunes. But if you have one of these trucks, definitely give us a call. Get this calibration. It makes this truck substantially better than it is from the factory. Power, drivability, pedal feel. Anyways, thanks for watching. Look for more to come in the Bronco Sport.